Hi everyone, this is Aradhna, and today we're gonna talk about why you should pursue psychology. I know psychology sounds too familiar now, but there are still people who don't know what psychology is and what psychology do in your life. So let's first discuss what is psychology. So, psychology is the scientific study of mind and behaviors. It explores how humans and animals think, how they react, how they act, how they feel, and interact with others. I know many people have doubts in their mind that really psychology is doing good in India. But if you look into your data over the years, psychology is really growing in India. Now people really wanted to visit psychologists. They really wanted to visit psychiatrists for their mental disorders. Now they understand what is anxiety, what is ADHD. Now they are getting to know everything and they want to learn. People are really getting aware about mental disorders. पहले के टाइम अगर हम देखें तो अगर कोई विमेन मे बी उसको कोई वॉइसेस सुनाई देती हैं, उसे डिल्यूजन्स हो रहे हैं, उसे हेलुसिनेशंस हो रहे हैं, तो लोग उसको एसोसिएट कर देते थे विचेस से कि शी इज कंट्रोल्ड बाय विचेस. बट नाउ पीपल आर रियली गेटिंग अवेयर अबाउट मेंटल डिसऑर्डर्स. वो जाते हैं साइकोलॉजिस्ट पे, वो जाते हैं साइकियाट्रिस्ट में, उन्हें रियली वो पाथ अपना रहे हैं कि हाँ हम डॉक्टर से ही ट्रीटमेंट करवाएंगे. और हम इंडिया में देख भी रहे हैं क्लिनिकल साइकोलॉजिस्ट की ग्रोथ हो रही है, साइकियाट्रिस्ट की ग्रोथ हो रही है. उनके लिए आप देखो कि वैकेंसीज निकल रही हैं, जॉब अपॉर्चुनिटीज बहुत ज़्यादा हैं. तो साइकोलॉजी इज़ रियली ग्रोइंग इन इंडिया. So right now I am pursuing my bachelor's in applied psychology from Doon University, which is located in Dehradun, and it is really good university. I mean the HOD of psychology department is really good. The professors are really good. So they are really helpful. They will make you understand every concept. So if you want to know more about Doon University's entrance test, you can comment down below. I will make another video about it. Okay. So now when we have discussed, some basic about psychology, let's focus on the career options of psychology. So we know psychology is a very broad term. ऐसे ही psychology में हमें बहुत सारे career options देखने को मिलते हैं. You can go in military, you can go in sports, you can be a counselor, you can be a clinical psychologist, you can be a psychiatrist, you can be an HR, so many. The most common is clinical psychologist, counselor and psychiatrist. लोग ज़्यादातर साइकोलॉजी जो लेते हैं वो इसी को प्रेफर करते हैं और उनको इसी में बहुत कंफ्यूजन होता है कि किसका क्या रोल है, किसका क्या रोल है. So let's talk about first what is difference between clinical psychologist, a counselor and a psychiatrist. So both clinical psychologist and psychiatrist, they both deal with severe mental disorders, but जो clinical psychologist होते हैं वो भी सिवियर मेंटल डिसऑर्डर्स से डील करते हैं, जैसे कि स्किज़ोफ्रेनिया या बाइपोलर या ओसीडी, बट दे ट्रीट द पर्सन थ्रू थेरेपीज. लेकिन ऑन द अदर हैंड जो साइकियाट्रिस्ट है वो ट्रीटमेंट करेगा, वो थेरेपीज भी दे सकता है, बट उसका मेन फोकस है ऑन द मेडिकेशन. साइकियाट्रिस्ट प्रोवाइड करते हैं आपको मेडिकेशंस फॉर योर मेंटल डिसऑर्डर्स, फॉर योर डिस्कम्फर्ट. सो अगर हम देखें एक मेजर डिफरेंस जो एक क्लिनिकल साइकोलॉजिस्ट में है और एक साइकियाट्रिस्ट में है, वो ये है कि साइकियाट्रिस्ट आपको मेडिकेशन देंगे, लेकिन क्लिनिकल साइकोलॉजिस्ट वो आपको मेडिकेशन नहीं देंगे, वो आपको थेरेपीज के थ्रू हील करने की कोशिश करेंगे और साइकियाट्रिस्ट आपको मेडिकेशन के थ्रू हील करने की कोशिश करेंगे. सो अ काउंसलर इज नॉट एट द सेम लेवल ऑफ क्लिनिकल साइकोलॉजिस्ट एंड साइकियाट्रिस्ट. काउंसलर का काम ये है काउंसलिंग करना. सो दे डोंट टेक वेरी सिवियर मेंटल डिसऑर्डर केसेस. बहुत सिवियर मेंटल डिसऑर्डर से वो डील नहीं कर सकते हैं. उनका काम है काउंसलिंग करना. और जैसे अ पर्सन हु इज गोइंग विथ टू मच स्ट्रेस और डे टू डे लाइफ में प्रॉब्लम्स आ रही हैं, रिलेशनशिप प्रॉब्लम्स आ रही हैं, he or she is finding difficulty in facing challenges. So उसमें काउंसलर हेल्प कर सकता है through giving counseling, but they cannot deal with severe mental disorders. So if you want more details regarding, how can you be in military through psychology, sports psychology, criminal psychology, or NHR in companies, you can comment down below and I will make detailed video regarding it. So now let's discuss what are the salaries of a clinical psychologist and a psychiatrist, monthly. So a clinical psychologist can earn 1 to 2 lakh or more per month. So salaries जो हैं they mainly depend on the location. अगर आप big cities में जाते हो just like न्यू दिल्ली और बैंगलोर और मुंबई, तो आपकी सैलरीज का अमाउंट भी बहुत बिग होता है. लेकिन अगर आप जाते हो ऐसी सिटीज़ में काम करने जैसे कि जो अंडर डेवलपमेंट हैं, तो वहाँ पे सैलरीज कम होती. So as a clinical psychologist, you can work into hospitals or you can run your private clinic. So I have also visited many private clinics of clinical psychologists, and they charge like 3,000 per hour. So you can calculate if she attended like 6 patients in a day, so it's like 18,000 she is making in one day. So it is a really profitable career if you look into it. And same as a psychiatrist, you can work into hospitals, and the hospitals can give you, like in a government hospital they can give you immense amount, in private hospitals they can give you immense amount. So it's like 1 lakh or more than 2 lakh, it depends completely on the location, and you can earn you are earning lakhs in a month. So it is a very good option. So now when we have talked about clinical psychologist and your psychiatrist, now we will talk about professors in universities. So professors in your government universities or in private universities, they have a very good salaries which can start from 70,000 and can goes up to your 1 lakh or beyond 1,50,000 plus. So it is a very good career option and it gives you a very immense amount of salary. So this video was just like a very introductory video, why you should pursue psychology, and I really wanted to make people aware about psychology, that psychology also holds a very good career in India, and we still lack clinical psychologists in India, and there are very much vacancies in India. So I think people should really know about this career option. People should really know about the mental awareness, and they should consider psychology as a very good subject, because people don't really, if you just say them like what are you pursuing, and we say we are pursuing psychology, so in old people's eyes it is not considered as a good career option, but trust me, it is a very good career option, and if you love psychology, you're gonna make it, you're gonna kill it in this field. So if you have any doubts, or if you want to learn about some topics in more detail, you can comment down below. I will answer them, or I will make a very detailed video regarding it. Or if you want 11th 12th topics to be explained, I will explain for psychology, and and you can just comment down and let me know, and I will help. And also if you want any information regarding Doon University, or how you have to crack that entrance, and if you want to know anything about it, you can just comment down below and I will just answer your questions.